Joining us, it's a signed deal. A Washington, D.C. based law firm will take over the prosecution of Minnesota State Trooper Ryan Londrigan.
Londrigan is charged with murder for the death of Ricky Cobb II. The contract, signed by the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, agrees to pay up to $1 million to the firm and possibly even more. Blue Ragoose joins us with details. Blue?
Julie and Randy, the Hennepin County Board has already indicated that if Moriarty needs to come back and ask for authorization to spend more money, they most likely would approve it. Because they said, like building a house, like building a house, you can't stop once you've started.
We just don't have the resources right now to be able to pull the experienced lawyers to be able to handle what is a resource-intensive case.
Citing staffing issues, Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty is bringing on 4 new prosecutors from out of state to handle the prosecution of Minnesota State Trooper Ryan Londrigan. The team from D.C.-based Steptoe LLC is led by Karima Maloney, a former federal prosecutor with experience handling complex investigations, according to her bio. The contract, released by Moriarty Friday, shows Steptoe agreed to terms of $850 per hour up to a $1 million cap. But the final cost is hard to predict.
It really isn't just $1 million. It could be far more than that.
Twin Cities-based attorney Marsh Hallberg points out the agreement states that once the amount of fees has exceeded $750,000, Steptoe will inform Moriarty, and she will have to ask the Hennepin County Board for authority to pay more money.
So it's kind of an open checkbook at that point.
Commissioner Jeff Lundy raised that concern at this week's meeting.
Are we going to get halfway through a case and you're like, okay, we got to have another million, and would that be something we would approve later? That's what I'm trying to understand, is because a commitment today means we're in.
What I can guarantee you is that I take fiscal responsibility very seriously, as well as I know you do, and we will be on top of this.
Moriarty will maintain decision-making power. Today in a statement, she said in part, these former federal prosecutors with impeccable credentials will be singularly focused on this case, while the rest of our team continues the critical work of prosecuting the high volume of other serious cases that are central to safety in our community. Now there's just no good comparison for us to make because this situation is unprecedented. The outside lawyers in the Derek Chauvin case work for free, but $1 million would pay the full salary of 6 prosecutors in the Hennepin County Attorney's Office for 1 year at the top of the pay scale. Julie?
All right, thanks, Lou.